After that, we moved towards Abiyar al-Mashi, which is also the pathway of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The old name of it is known as Al-Khalaiq.
What language?
If you are comfortable in Urdu, then we can do it Urdu. Otherwise, in English.
I'm comfortable in both. Maulana Zakariyya, mashallah, he's been a good guide to us so far. He has given us so much information that I don't think I'm able to grasp it from anywhere else.
और मुझे ये बताइएगा what about Alianah, who is organizing this group, and here they are doing a charitable work all around the world, especially in Gaza and Syria. So how can you encourage people to support Alianah, and why should they?
Inshallah, so as you said, whatever he's saying, he's doing in Gaza, inshallah, and all around the world, he's building all the water wells. So he will be doing it. He will be doing it in the best way possible, which is closer to the Sunnah, inshallah. And I will also try to work it out with him, since I have so much time. So I will try to work it out as well with Alianah and try to build a water well as well, inshallah.